Alright, listen up. Private Martin, you're on the obstacle course and doing weapons training today. Good. Now check your objectives. You'll notice that your current objective is highlighted. In addition, the location of your current objective is marked by the star on your compass. As you approach your current objective, the star will move toward the center of your compass. Approach your current objective. That's it. Close enough. You will notice that objective is checked off and you now have a new one. All right, Martin.
Martin, good to see you.
Move it, ladies. This is not
I
your
got
Aunt Fanny's
here too,
dance.
huh?
Jump over him. Come on, Elder. Get the lead out. Not bad. Now hit the dirt and crawl forward under the barbed wire. Sergeant, fire up those machine guns. Lock them out, boys. Whoa. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Hey, what happened?
Private Martin, proceed through that door. Sergeant Moody's gonna take you through weapons training. The rest of you ladies, stay right here.
Eyes.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Eyes up, Private. I'm up here, in the observation tower. Grab one of those M1A...
Yeah, boy.
A1 carbines from the table. To get more...
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
To get more ammo, grab it from...